We're into week 3 of the new year. This is the time that people start to fail with their New Year's resolutions. I'm going to show you how you can make sure that your tribe are still on track. Hi there, welcome. It's Richard Butler, Director of Education here at PLR.me. As you probably know, once we get to about the third week of January, people sometimes start to fail in their New Year's resolutions and their goals. Now is an ideal time to refocus your tribe and check in with them to make sure that they're actually on track and they're keeping to their resolutions. In this video, I'm going to show you a number of holidays and I'm going to show you some resources that you can use to engage your tribe. Now, if this is the first time watching one of our content marketing videos, let me tell you a little bit about them. Each and every month, we produce a content marketing calendar that outlines holidays taking place in that month, and we recommend content that you can use in order to engage your tribe. Now, if you've not already done so, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon and you'll be notified as soon as we upload new content and new training. So in this video, I'm going to focus on 4 holidays: Handwriting Day, Chinese New Year, Spouses Day, and Data Privacy Day. January 23rd is Handwriting Day. Now, I don't know about you, but I've been told that I write like a doctor, and I'm not sure if that's a compliment or not. Today you can talk to your tribe about the importance of writing things out. This is an art I believe we are losing, and especially the younger generation. The act of writing something down on paper helps solidify that in our mind. So this could be goals, this could be tasks that you have to do. And in fact, when I was away over the Christmas break, I picked up a lovely little diary, New York 2020, and I am writing down what I need to do every day during the week, and this is helping solidify what I have to do. Now, hopefully I will actually keep this up till the end of the year, because as you know, habits are formed after 21 days, so I'm doing okay so far. So today you could talk about the importance of handwriting and tie that in with the importance of giving gratitude, because it's so easy to complain about things. It's so easy not to see all the good things that are happening in your life. And today's resource is our gratitude journal, which you could sell to your tribe in PDF format. They can download it, they can print it themselves, or they can actually fill it in the actual PDF document. Or you could upload this to a print-on-demand website and promote it there so that people can actually order a physical journal. Now, I've done this myself. I've done it through Amazon. So you could take the journal and you could add extra articles, extra reflections, etc. And this would make an ideal product for you to launch this year. So here's an idea. What you could do is you could publish these books on print on demand and then sell them as a set of 6 journals that people can order from you. So that means that they always have a gratitude journal available and they get into the habit of gratitude. Once they get into this habit and they see the benefits of gratitude, well, then they will order more journals when they've used up their 6. So think of these ideas, how you could create a continuity program, or for example, how you could create a gratitude coaching program, and then you could have the journal as either a free gift that you send to them or something that is an upsell within your gratitude coaching program. Happy 2020 and Happy New Year. No, I haven't come back in time. Today, January 25th, is actually the Chinese New Year. So there's a couple of important things that you could do today. First of all is you could use this opportunity to, again, refocus your tribe and say, look, it's another new start for you in case you haven't been able to get those goals started because of return to work, because of the holidays, etc. Let's start today. But another thing that is very important today is to tell your tribe about the traditions in the Chinese New Year. The first one is red. The color red is a sign of good luck today, and the giving of red envelopes with money is also traditional. So you could talk today about good luck and abundance with money, because as well, at this time, it's the 25th of January, probably credit card bills are coming in, people are a little bit stressed financially. So let's talk about abundance and money. And today's resource talks exactly about that. Top 10 principles to follow for prosperity and abundance. Now, you can use these tips as always as part of a webinar, as part of an email sequence, or on social media. And my suggestion as always would be that you post 1 or 2 of these tips, lead them then to either your website or to a sign-up form for a webinar, and then you can discuss the 7 or 8 other tips on that webinar. But try and tie this all in together with New Year's resolutions, with being more abundant, with prosperity. And as I said, because it's usually when credit card bills start coming in, now would be a great time to lift people up and say, hold on a second, you can be prosperous and abundant. Speaking of abundance and prosperity, have you checked out our bundles? You see, for each holiday, I focus on just one resource, but we have many more available. And what we've done is we've packaged all of those resources into a bundle that you can download in one zip file and actually save credits. So instead of paying, let's say, for example, 25 credits if you were to download each resource individually, you can actually save credits by downloading the bundle. Now, what a lot of our clients actually do is they will focus on 1 or 2 holidays a month. They will download a bundle for those holidays and they will build out a series of resources. So again, you don't have to publish something for every single holiday. You might decide just to focus on one holiday, and the bundles are ideal for doing this. January 26th is Spouses Day. Now, behind every successful person is probably a spouse who is there on the sidelines, cheering you on, cheering you up and keeping you focused, and also helping you make the right decisions and not make those crazy decisions that seem absolutely fine to you. And I know in my case, my wife is very, very supportive of everything that I do and also gives me good advice when I need it. Now, at the time, I may not think it's good advice, but it always turns out to be the best advice. But getting feedback from your spouse can be very difficult because a lot of the times those who are closest to us, we feel that maybe they're being a bit too critical and it's very difficult to accept their advice. Maybe you work with your partner, maybe your spouse gives you advice, maybe you find it difficult, or maybe your tribe are self-employed and they too find it difficult to accept advice from their spouses. So today's resource is entitled, I am open to feedback from my spouse. And it's very important to read this, to reflect on it, and to accept it. So this is ideal not just for yourself, but also for your tribe. So perhaps you could open a discussion on your Facebook group, or you could do a live or a webinar discussing how you can actually be more open to accepting feedback, be it positive or negative, from your actual spouse and how that can help you grow in your business. Now, speaking of businesses, more and more people are becoming aware of data privacy issues, and they are wondering what companies are doing with their data. As a professional, you need to make sure that your house is in order with regard to data privacy. And obviously we cannot give you advice on this, and you should speak with a legal representative. But more regions and more countries are enabling more protection for consumers. For example, here in Europe, we have the General Data Protection Regulation, which came into effect in 2018. And this allows a consumer to have more control over the data that is kept by companies and to request that data. So today would be an ideal day to talk to your tribe about data protection, data privacy, and what they think about data privacy, because we give a lot of information to companies, be it on Facebook, Instagram, via email when we sign up for newsletters, even when you go to the supermarket and you have a loyalty card. The companies are building up a lot of information and collecting big data, which is a huge buzzword. So you can talk to your tribe and you can say, are you concerned about data privacy? Are you concerned about the profiling that companies may be doing with your information? So today's resource, which will start the conversation, is what companies do with your private information and how to protect it. So this could open up a huge area that you could have a number of webinars talking about how much information we give to companies like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. And also how to protect yourself online, because of course identity theft is a huge area. So if you're interested in this area, there's a lot of information that you could provide. And if you're, for example, a dating coach, you could also focus in on this area, talking about privacy in general and how much information people can actually find out about you. So that brings us to the end of our video. The link to all of our resources is in the description, as is the link to the January content calendar. So each and every month, I'm here showing you the resources that you can use for that particular month and giving you ideas on how those resources can be used to engage and build your authority. Now, if you're not already a member of PLR.me, you have no excuse. Why? Because you can actually sign up for free, no credit card required, and you will get 2 credits that you can use to download our resources. All you have to do is go to PLR.me and sign up. It's that simple. What are you waiting for? Go now. But before you go off, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you will be notified of all of the new training and the content calendar videos as we publish them. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to reply. I'll talk to you in the next video.